I can mold, I can code, I have it on all the time. It's fantastic. We get to build toys for kids and change the world. It's a big deal. So, how's your endometriosis pain?
Some days are
What
better
was
than
he
others.
doing?
Tell him about the some days the pain is so bad, I want to stay in bed.
Just triggered.
I guess. What about the stabbing pain last week?
What? Yeah, what'd you say? What'd you say? Wait a sec.
What the fuck is that noise?
I think it's like brandy or something.